Common culprits include sleeping pill abuse, nasal congestion, sleeping on your back, alcohol, and caffeine. Identifying the root cause is key to finding the right treatment. Let's talk about some powerful herbal remedies that can help you get a peaceful night's sleep. First up, let's discuss ginger. This amazing herb promotes saliva secretion, helping to relax and soothe the throat. Pair it with honey, and you've got a dynamic duo that can reduce the symptoms of a cold and help with snoring. To use ginger and honey, make a ginger tea by boiling fresh ginger slices in water, then add a spoonful of honey. Drink this warm concoction before bed and feel the difference.